This video explains response surface methodology definition and its objective. If you are new on my channel Statisticians Club, please subscribe the channel. Now we discuss the definition of response surface methodology. Response surface methodology is collection of mathematical and statistical techniques useful for modeling and analysis of problems in which a response of interest is influenced by several variables, and the objective is to optimize this response. Douglas C. Montgomery. This definition is presented by Montgomery. In other words, we can say that collection of mathematical and statistical techniques that are useful for modeling and analysis of problem in which a response of interest, any response which we want to calculate, is influenced by several variables, and our main objective is to optimize this response. Optimize means minimize or maximize. So this whole procedure is called response surface methodology. We can say that optimize will be maximization or minimization. In other words, we can explain response surface methodology by 3 steps. At first, setting up a series of experiments, which would be a set of experiments that will yield adequate and reliable measurement of response of interest. We set a series of experiments that produce reliable measurements of response of interest. Response of interest means the response which we want to calculate. Number 2, determining a mathematical model that best fit the data collected. We determine any such model which is best suitable for our data set that is collected, and the steps of data collection is we choose any design of experiment by conducting appropriate test of hypothesis with respect to model parameters. Number 3, determining the optimal setting of experimental factors that produce maximum or minimum value of response. This is our last step, to set the experimental factors that produce maximum or minimum value of response, which is our interest, to maximize the response or minimize it. Important note: by discovering the best value or best values, if response is beyond the available resources of the experiment, response surface methodology aim to obtain at least a better understanding of the overall system. Thanks for watching.